This is what my physique look like when I start my online journey, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I've done to actually get that result. One thing about my online journey, guys, a lot of people say how did I do it, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it and also the mistake I made so I can actually help you out. The first mistake that I used to make, like you can see right now, I used to go on the treadmills every single time when I actually go to the gym. But the advantage of that, and I'm gonna talk about the disadvantage of that. So when you go in training, you go straight to the strength master or treadmill. This actually gonna help you lower your endurance. So you're not gonna be found enough energy so to lift like heavy weight, but you're gonna need to lift weight because the only way to build muscle is by doing repetition, is by lifting or and stuff like this. But what advantage does he have when you start walk on the treadmill? The first advantage I will actually talk about is like you got 99% chance to not getting any type of injuries. So no injuries at all, and your body gonna feel like a little bit working, That's only the advantage you have as well. But one things about my training in the past was most of the time when I go to the gym, I didn't got like a specific of training, I didn't know, okay, today I'm gonna work on arms or bicep or tricep. I'll just do like some random exercises, just go start training, jumping, pushing, I was just trying to find something so I can just do, I would just do push-ups, pull-ups and everything. I didn't like do pull-ups, I like push-ups the most. I used to do just to see if I can get myself together, because it's really complicated when you just start this type of journey, just trying to figure out exactly what you need to do to actually get the really type of result. But at the same time, I always try to push myself harder than I could because I want to get better and I want to move closer to my goal, because the goal of losing weight was something that I was trying to do since I was like 16 or 17, but I usually found difficulty when I started, even though sometimes I do everything and I was still losing, and I didn't know what exactly to do until one day I found one thing that's really helped me. Like I said in my previous video, we talk about the book. So the book actually gave me a right pathway to really help myself. So that is why I really recommend you guys, when you start the journey, I don't want you to give up just because you don't see result. Instead of run away from the truth, you need to find a way to understand what am I doing wrong. Start questioning yourself. Did I need to work out a little bit more? Did I need to train a little bit harder? Did I need to do this or that? This is one thing that can actually help you, get to closer to that goal. Because me, for myself, I've been doing this for years. The way I've been training in the past, I've seen the reason that I wasn't able to lose weight, because all of this type of training that I used to do, as you can see right now, guys, those wasn't gonna be helping me. But one things they do for me, they like teach me that I can grow from, even though I was making mistake, because I was learning at that time. No trainer, no nothing. All I did was just go on YouTube, watching videos, and just training as much as I could. Because right now, all this knowledge that I had for my weight loss journey, I can actually help someone getting to succeed in only 3 months or 6 months, because I can actually tell you exactly when to train, what exactly you need to do, what type of workout that's gonna be best for you, and also what can actually help you grow faster than ever. Because I've done it for myself and I've seen so many things so far. That's why I really want you guys to do the same. All one thing, guys, also that's gonna help you on that weight loss journey. Don't be afraid to be in the crowd with people who got the same dream or who got to achieve the same goal, because this is one thing that's helped me moving forward. And I felt like that in the past 2 or 3 years, only focus by learning and try something new, and I was trying to do it almost like every day, just to get myself together. So I want you guys to do almost the same thing, do as much as you could, try any type of workout. It doesn't matter what type of workout it is, just at least you try, because the main thing about losing weight is at least you try. Because the thing is, most of the time we're afraid of trying something new. Why? because we're afraid of failing. Failing is a part of the process. Just because you're failing doesn't mean you're not worth it. So failing is the thing that's gonna teach you how to learn something new. I was trying this few entire workout and I always try to having fun while I was training. This is one basic thing I usually try to do because I just trying to be me, guys, not trying to copy anyone else. I wasn't motivated at that time. There was no motivation. All I had was like, I just want to lose weight and I just want to do this and that and this and that. Now, guys, we're going to do something really special. The things that we eat. This is one of the basic things, guys, that stop us from growing. So we're going to talk about it. Let's go on the next slide.